Number 3. Raw turmeric. Now, if you want to lose weight, then turmeric is the spice that you need in your daily diet. Now, if you take it raw, like in its natural form, then it's going to have a lot more benefits than just helping you to lose weight. But yes, it does help you lose weight. Let me tell you how. It increases the amount of glutathione in your body. Glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant that helps your liver to detoxify toxins, which includes fat that has been stored in your liver for a long period of time. So what happens is when we eat unhealthy food, when we are on a high-carb diet, the liver tends to store a lot of fat. And when the fat is stored in the liver, it also becomes very difficult for the body to burn that fat. So what turmeric does, it helps the liver to release that fat by increasing the amount of glutathione. And not only that, it also helps your body to burn that fat by increasing the amount of citrate, which is a very important compound in the Krebs cycle, which is kind of like the central pathway for burning fat and burning carbs. So all these things together will help you lose weight. If you don't like the taste of turmeric, you can add a little bit of black pepper. That will make it much easier to digest. Also, a little bit of ginger juice or ginger powder will make it much better. Number 2. Drinking turmeric milk. Turmeric milk is something that has been used in India for thousands of years. It was used by ancient people for various health benefits. One of the major benefits is weight loss. Now let me tell you how it helps. First of all, milk contains calcium and other nutrients which tend to bind to the toxins in the body, and especially the toxins which are produced by the liver and the gallbladder. So when they get bound to calcium, they become insoluble and they get eliminated from the body. Now this gives the liver a chance to function properly and to release the fat that it has stored for a long period of time. Secondly, the compounds in turmeric help the liver to burn that fat very effectively. So these two things work together. The milk as well as the turmeric work together to help you lose weight. You can drink this warm in the evening, but remember one thing, use only earthen pots. Do not use any plastic or any other material. Only earthen pots. Make sure that your earthen pot is very clean and then you can use it for a long period of time. Number 1. Turmeric tea. You can make tea with turmeric and there are many different ways to do it. You can add lemongrass, you can add ginger, you can add a pinch of black pepper, but remember one thing, do not add sugar. If you add sugar, then it's going to defeat the whole purpose. It's going to give you some quick energy, but that is going to be followed by a crash. And if you're trying to lose weight, you cannot have any kind of sugar, so try to avoid that. You can add a little bit of stevia, but the best thing is to drink it without anything so that you get all the benefits of turmeric. Now let me tell you what it does. First of all, it reduces inflammation in the body. There could be inflammation in your joints. There could be inflammation in your internal organs. There could be inflammation even inside your fat cells. So when inflammation is reduced, you start feeling lighter. Secondly, it helps to reduce insulin resistance. So if you have been on a high-carb diet for a long period of time, your insulin levels might be high and it also might have converted a lot of your muscle into fat. So when turmeric reduces insulin resistance, it helps your muscles to become more sensitive to insulin so that they can absorb more glucose and at the same time they can release the fat that they have stored for a long period of time. So these are the mechanisms by which turmeric helps you to lose weight. It is one of the most powerful herbs in the world. And if you want to know more about herbs and spices and how they can help you with different health conditions, then stay tuned. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the comments.